Through my friend Shane, he's coming to get some work done as well. And I wasn't going to get anything done, but he said that this is a really good place. Highly recommended from whoever he got it from. So I would recommend this place 100%. It was great, I had a lot of fun in there. I was doing the translate thing. I'm from the UK, so obviously here in Turkey. Had some fun with the girls. They're really professional, really friendly, and they obviously know exactly what they're doing, so it's a great experience. I would recommend you 100% to everybody. Really friendly service, affordable, and a really great result. My best smile ever.